Hello, my mermaids and barnacle boys. My name is SpongeDrew, and welcome back to another video. I am back once again to make another amazing art tutorial for you guys. You all seem to really like my last video I made, a while back, which was drawing eyes and a nose from a 3/4 angle, and you guys seem to really like that one a lot, and especially the short I made of it. So I decided, bring back some art tutorials like this one. Today, we're gonna kind of break this down to two parts. We're gonna do like the simpler, like one like this, which today's tutorial, which obviously you've seen by the thumbnail and the title, we're gonna be drawing lips. But today we're gonna be drawing lips kind of like this with like mouths closed and whatnot. I know two of these are kind of open, but in the next video I do this again, I will draw, like mouths or something, or lips open, and like whatnot, and I'll use like shapes, for like examples when you're doing this. But we're gonna be drawing lips because I know that a lot of people, like lips aren't a hard thing to do, but some people just like draw lips way too complicated, and I'll show you why. Because I see a lot of tutorials, especially with like professional artists. They do this whole like circle thingy, like this, or like what have you, or they do something like really complicated, like this, or like some kind of like crap like that. And honestly, like you don't need like too many shapes to make lip, because personally that is really not the right way to do it. So I'm gonna show you my way how to draw lips, and it's just with really just a couple of steps to get you started when you're drawing, like especially like attractive, or just like characters and attractive characters with like lustrous lips and whatnot. So we're gonna first start off by just making a very simple line like this. That doesn't need to be perfect because we're gonna erase it, like in a bit here. Well, actually, we can actually make this a little better. It's always important to like lightly sketch, because if you press your pencil down on it, it will be hard to erase. So let's just do this. Just like that. So you have your very simple line, like so. Again, the focus here and the brightness. That. And then first, you're gonna kind of like make a rectangle shape, but like keep like the sides kind of like slanted like this. This will be for the top lip, like so. And then for the bottom, kind of like bend these. Do the same thing on the bottom, just kind of like angle these a little bit. So yeah, that's basically, two simple shapes for the lips. And then afterwards, you want to erase the guidelines, but you still want to be able to see them. And of course, when you're drawing lips and whatnot, it is okay to use reference, because I hear some, like people who are artists who are, professionals, are saying like, oh, real artists don't use reference. Oh, real artists draw freehand, blah, 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 blah. Let me just say this. If you're a beginner artist, it's okay to use guidelines. It's okay to use reference. Real artists don't judge artists. So with that out of the way, let's get back into it. Let me just sharpen my pencil really quick. Might have to buy, like lead pens or something, because like drawing with pencil is nice and all, but it would be nice to actually get like nice little artist pencils. But anyways, back to the tutorial. Next, you want to like kind of like similar what we see right here, just curve up like this, and then do that. Same thing for the other side. That's the overall mouth right there. And then we draw the bottom lip, like so. And then for like the top lip, we could just do that. Now I know mine is not going to be, you know, of course, perfect. But this is just kind of like a simple tutorial on how to do it. There we go. So that's basically a way to draw lips. Now, if you want to add like some shading like I have, you know, with these ones right here, you can basically just take your pencil, lightly, you know, like shade in the place at the top and your bottom. You take a toothpick like so. In this case, mine already has a little bit of lead, pencil lead on it, so I'm just gonna go in and do this. Just kind of like shade it in. Just like so. And then you could do the top as well. There we go. Kind of erase. There we go, so there you have that, and then just erase a little bit on the bottom right here for a nice little highlight like so. And that's really it to how to draw lips. Again, it's just 3 steps really. Kind of like the one I have on here. You draw a line, you make some kind of like trapezoid rectangle shapes, top, bottom, a small, large one for the top, small one for the bottom, erase them, and then do like kind of like a slightly swiggle shape for the lips, on the bottom of the lip, top of the lip, and voila. And of course, you can use these other ones right here for like reference, and if you want to just, you know, you can draw lips in any different shape, size, and length. It's just depending on like what style you are really going for as a beginner artist. So yeah, that's really it for this tutorial. I know it wasn't a very long one, but you know, like not all you know, my art tutorials need to be like super long. Some of them, you know, could be very short, could be very, you know, sweet to the, you know, to the point, what have you. Let me just kind of like fix this one up right here. There we go. So yeah, that's really how to draw lips. And the next video that I will do is that I will be drawing mouths and or lips, you know, like opening up their mouths from, you know, different angles and whatnot. It'll probably take a bit for that because since I am still, you know, getting in the groove of, you know, like sketching and whatnot, I'll probably, you know, make some shorts, some quick, you know, like easy few minute, you know, like YouTube shorts of like art tutorials if you guys want to see more of those. So yeah, thank you all so much for watching today's video. If you like what you see here and you want to see more art tutorials on my channel in the future, then excuse me, then be sure to click that subscribe button today, click that bell notification so you'll stay notified when I make new videos like these. Like the video, comment what you think of it. Was this very helpful to you? Is this better than, you know, most art tutorials that you see with lips or something? Shows your friends, family, and other people who are, you know, becoming beginner artists and, you know, like want to learn with how to draw mouths and whatnot. And with that being said, I will see all of you in my next video. Bye bye.